Today we'll be taking you on expenses, how to use expenses on a simple accounting system. Now, actually, I've been running the simple accounting system using Master, where I sell packing bags and sometimes I retail diesel form of black market. So I use this to regulate and checkmate all the activities. Now, if we want to add our expenses for the day, like your shop rent, like you paid staff, like you spend some transport. So all you need to do, you go to this place, see where my triangle is shown, highlight it, then you create new, then you say add expense for today. So for you to add expense, you just come to this place. You see where I circled, you just tap that place. Now you tap this place and you see categories of expenses. You see categories of expenses. You have your rent, salary, electricity, and all that. But for now, I went to supply to somebody material, so I needed to put my transport for expenses. So I added transport. It took me 25,500 using those I'll make an entry note. Supply, supply, customer, supply to customer. So, and I'll now add my expense, so it's going to be significant. If you don't do that, you're not going to see it. So it was in cash. All you do is you hit your cash. You can put, if you decide to put supplier's name, but there were a lot of suppliers I did. So um, the supplier name is not necessary at this point in time, because instead the name of the person that render the service is like the boat driver or whatever. But here the most times it's not necessary, so I'll say in cash. So I select my cash mode, whether is it cash account or bank account. It's going to be cash account because it was hand to hand money exchange. So I think I'm done. If you want to add image, if you want to add image of your receipt, transport receipt, or any other thing you bought, you can just add to it. It say allow you, so you go to your photos after snapping and you add it. But I'm not going to be taking that now, and I want to show you how to add expenses to your listing. So so let's go back to commission. So you know, go back, see where we are. So not granted permission because we didn't do that. So we say we hit save. Please try and update and try again. Expenses, tax, and credit, cash account, notes for expenses. Okay, notes for expenses. Say transport to supply materials, depending on how your notes look like. CC now is done. So currently it's the 14th of February. I just updated my expenses and all that. So which when you go to your dashboard, you see your top three expenses. So which is transport, electricity, and one other more. So you can, it's showing you the charts. It's showing you the charts. So for now, all my expenses is total of 6,000. All of from the from your dashboard, you can relate on what your business is doing. So currently, um, my sales have been like 1,000 to 126, sorry, 126,750, and what I've purchased for goods or material I'm selling is 64,000. Regarding the other one that I just had in stock, I just imputed. So now you can see, now most times purchase and expenses are different, but you can see your purchase is 64, but if it comes to down payment, your down payment is 70. Purchase leaves debit your account and expenses debit account, but purchase is seen as your inventory. Whatever you purchase comes to stay in your inventory, why expense hangs but shows you the expenses you've done. You is not seen in the inventory. That's just the difference here and all that. So whatever you are doing, to make sure you have a track of it for your service or product, make sure it passes through the purchase process so that you can see it in your inventory. But these expenses, you can't see it. You can only see the expense amount and all that. So you can use to justify your um, decisions and all that. So this is for creating expenses. Thanks for watching. Always remember to like and share. Thank you.